Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwowa searching
party mpanifo ni mu asiu abronye amefa party na nsi wo se o destroy party na kire NDC abronye mom babontin ebe defend wo omo kenkwase mo asem wo mo jimi di se party no ana abronye ba ye se oba be defend this afo no yenya general atam de yehu se o general secretary e babontin be tron krata se yenyi abronye mfi party no mu a he will resign. Up to now, Abronye Gusu party when Dimian resign. And you are telling me, say, such a person, yes, I maintain this independent. Because one day I will sit here and remember all the analysis. Actually, my record, my change, always be an enemy repetition. No matter how could you a boy and bro. So could we take his stand last time, no, last 2 years, no, and we use our both one and almost automatic friends in the base. Yeah, yeah, Anna, I could say friends arrested, also a party back. Why you do be beyond Tebaudian in this mirror? What was the Korean from Katada? Mammy, one single person. What can I tell Dr. Mamubomian? Our yeah party back. No woman you was it that could be a trunk catada. But Obi Kobo or no any power palace with the year, no trunk cata. But say the parliament need the party number. And you are telling me, say, you should maintain this guy. Now, on some bubble near Central Yetia, near as I say, a say, don't get here, I will maintaining. Yes, I'm maintaining. General Secretary is different than president. Presidency is different than general secretary and president chairmanship. If you don't know, so who are would tell me? And you what time been your time? Lemum, Sebaya, ye benya obi could draw for Obia obet me maintain the party in Munipabia, Obi obet me take his standard. So Obia, maybe never be doing quite some more, obet me a punishment. Send Nanadu din send be a engine fatal party no more, obet me a can any machina as in chain. Obi o party in Biano, ye bet me ya one day a kiss uncle for Nasso, and noon they and any bonnet castle. And yes, I could be in Pomone for yes, we couldn't part. Then when you super in the Jumedia will be my party, and what party no see because of maintaining. That's it. That is all. I don't have any issue against him. Personally, no, don't maintain the part. America say me never maintain. I'm a tansem. Maintain the part. But I'm a tansem. Why am I? Why is there some time? Me time will be called. You like me produce. Ne no more some ni su. Ni etimi tenas no be okobra ni timbe na won take and say party ni mu panifo na ya konfo. Na general secretary to. Oh. But so we feel me, they say me to Bontemba. Now because one was the party in Pennifonia conform, we are conform class, and also conform. Now, who are we are? Yes, see, I didn't think about because I didn't anymore. I didn't think about or no, maybe defend the and remember Yano, and I'm defend the party, I beg the party, let's you want me, man, free party, mum. Party Pennifo. Moya the pastor party in 24 so manya abronye di because Kodiano we nim ni dwuma die hey one single person hwe de why party amane enam and na yeto abawie wo so on frame to no wata ukoka yesi yankarasem obi anka obi amodidi ono anwire ho oso on frame to no wata ana wakwa nkrofo achi na omo ye the base na ma hu so Okatakyie free finance am start masa how jimi free yaso how jimi ko how Jimmy free as call time and the MP before no more friend on any casa. Why never on casa? Yet opposition 20 years out. So far, so say, do you care? Say it, Mrs. Who, a friend say, Okatakyie free from Kuma position like media party, one can't enter opposition for 20 years. I'm telling you. Share now, officer, said Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, a giant every party in moi. I want to better say yes, the difference between MPP. Walk at the Afrifa, may say, what dear, Medica can be a one and over change, or what for some years as you be an. Said the young Panicho, I put all young Papas and you can tell my honor. For what? I may be similar be a chum and a Victor Usu, would it be a Victor Usu, Victor Manu. And ABC, a Diego Panicho, see, I any year, China, Aviana, AC. Alan Cass is hard about transit Jimmy. That's now XYZ. I and Alan Cash now, and I say, I'm welcome here for Nampasua. You both as a party, or quite is here. Cheddar about 1 second, cheddar about 1 minute. And so cheddar put me vote to see. So what is the what is the difference between only a buffer? Omonti the bass, omonti the auto, omonti the treble, omonti the verse, omu we are on rappo, omu we are almost and more events reggae in Nankan. We don't care. If God say yes, nobody can say no. Ye to abandon pie, no more say, oh a pie, omu nado mu base, omu support to command NDC. We don't care. Now, almost so many the base, almost so many diablo, no matter party to me diablo. Do you think, say, on mine, get to me and skin going to Becamana? Mom, may have some was your phobiso, and then I don't want to go there. I'll check. Never yet go. My first topic, campaign class, may have a fun one. Do the mommy face you. Sepatino, Sepatino, one more no see a friend in the base, another party, no say. And put to be an cost or man. What party now? I see a MP, but you can't even lose one. I hear what you say. So, Muffy say, yet party near Diablo. Who cares? Monty party, Diablo. Monty, who cares? Abro make media go think you say. Say no make media. Who cares? Mukari to on your president that. It is a movie and would you will be in care. Ghana is a say, the air cost is here. I will be a su. Almost in the base, no Mujimino. Omontigana is here. Majority of them are in Ghana. And all the consequences are causing now. They are facing it. In the why is it better? I say, and into 20, young Pomacho, 20. One more we are phone. One more dog party, no. One more we are rare MPP, no. They have come together. And nipa call can say now. Aden you, Daniel Chobani, all of them came back boldly and said they are come to throw their support to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. So what again? You I'm for one party. We are not come to sit here and insult anybody. We are not going to sit here and attack anybody. We will come here to fight against them. We don't care. I don't think you hear you were Harry Kwamekufu. No, what me have fight this time was your fool. Senior General Secretary of Kudra, Casabran is my Jimmy for the free party. What you say? See your General Secretary, Nimu Dua. Leader my Nanko Yampe, and a coup for the Kuchusu, near crying ready, and a coup for the Kuchusu. Mary Boku, Medasi. Ya Frebi, it be line to my yamun frefre. Open my some son, Yamun Namu, and I'm for my grandchildren, and I have to be a yen. I just say, Namun Namu, my grandchild. We are the Mubachi, Mubachi do myself, but Yana, my friend. What I say? Eddie. It could be say. You go so. A idea on my planet. On my planet. On my plan to be beer. What the one say? What the more harm. Obi beer we behind Dr. Mahmoud Baumia behind you be their enemy. Yes. And then Obufui, our way party no Obufui. She said, obey campaign tia Jemauntu. On one ma arrested ene ne nkrofo gada say yemfa chema untumi yemfa ne ho report nko na yenya ne njeli chema untumi na na no mote say all say captain sports start ye njeli chema untumi a attorney general I don't blame him o see we need evidence so enipa no ewo mo say mo se wonye onyenya evidence bia no attorney general we nipa o wonim say wono so woda kete so wonya boa se nipa no onya evidence bia mfa no ho na wotan ti obi apushi say yemfa nipa no kotum na wono wadi animu ene wo kodi animu na fa kotum no na kotum at the end of the day no ko fa case ne no me ama no ho obra wonim say nipa no I know man mo dia bra yin say on fa ko prosecute nipa no enim da so enya so bi enim enti ene delegate mutemi ensem a ayi obufo ye party mu ekoso ekojira ekotaya NDC for chi say yenye mo untumi asem ne yenku untumi nda no na ye because of say untumi aka who say untumi na first person o ka say chairmanship no obeba enti sa no mani na ka ho bi no mo ye wanye say umbe punish chairman untumi ene nyame ya dom yenwi asem ne die nanso wasamba so obegina dia ye besere mo se mo kotoba na eye kolabo sremu a kokofu ene chairman untumi pe ene betimi apagya party no omo ye bi pen chairman untumi obi e masante region e bankola ono moko yero kokofu e bankola ono mo company ono mo community ba bia omudimbi ye besremu se obeboa na mutimi aboa na ye chairman untumi ene yewura Harry komna kokofu abaye kolabo no na nyame ya domo a omutimi awini obi ka say ai mo de se de ise we ya se mo sika se chewa untimi ba fa telephone bu kra fa me say SK mbeso e campaign kra nyangopon kra emfa me nya hana omfra me da chema untimi me ne kasa ya obra na ya to aba na wie as atam na oyare etese oyare aye so ko onya serious ayi o landing na me person me friend na me tise no kre ti empower testing me videos ni video ni ade say the whole fa no apart from that since that time be sin ne maintain kasa biem menene kasa menene chati biem be sin ne and so we can say I and I many mirror area kofu oba me platform I say I know openye sike bia breme enya hwe sebi minim nyansa sebi mitiwe minim ade papa na minim ade bone eti mentwen mayero kokofu mra misika ansa na makampani amanana does it make sense sesa na yeka dia na se ka metrase makonye mu ase na medwedwe me ho like ma twen se me danda me ho se ya na ma twen se Dr. Mahmoud Bawemre misika nanka obrem misika wi a anka atire no nanka my campaign ma ntwen amana ama frame at the same time you believe say me nka se masa class a wo de me bakwa ato mbato bedin to so no ye masika asan ya to yiwa ebi e kire how odo me wo de me nipa no nti mu ambeka na mbeka bi amonka se ma misika o se ma misika o enye problem no na e ha me wow kasa asam semen una wo ha ho nti ya me na betre ma mencha do for fast na afi me fa main topic ni mra nti twema wontumi ni kokofu de wo mo chi ni wani mu bie ni ho mesere mo delegate se de mo ye ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no mo nye sa anso ma me nia Daniel God bless you of Ken Zak God bless you Dignity Care God bless you ma me nia Pake God bless you ma me Mama Tess God bless you. Almi, God bless you. Okay. DJ, God bless you so much. Mami Mary Opoku, God bless you. Mami Juliana, God bless you. Madola, God bless you. Of a Kufia Champion, God bless you. Minia, okay, no abuse. Love ya, me minia ba, God bless you so much. Piaga, God bless.